Hi everyone, my name is Katie. I'm the vendor director here at Real Wealth Academy. Welcome to Success in 5. Here at Real Wealth Academy, we really like to focus on building up a great team for you, for your path to real estate investing. Today we are going to be interviewing a mortgage lender that we have partnered with here at Real Wealth Academy. So let's go ahead and get started with your Success in 5. So today with us we have Wade from Catalyst Funding. Thank you so much for being here. Wade, can you explain what is a mortgage lender and what makes y'all different from the other ones?
Sure. So a mortgage lender is a company that provides loans secured with real estate. There's a wide variety of mortgage lenders. There are lenders that focus on single family, multifamily, and commercial. And there are also lenders that provide short-term and long-term financing. So in this space for real estate investors, short-term financing usually involves hard money lending, which means we provide the money to purchase and repair distressed real estate. We also provide long-term financing in a variety of ways. We provide conventional loans for single family as well as non-conventional loans, which basically mean that they're not subsidized by the government. They're far more inclusive, but the rates and fees are a little bit higher.
All right, great. So our next question would be, why would an investor want to work with a mortgage lender?
Sure. So there's a few different reasons. I think the biggest one is leverage. No matter how much money an investor may have, they can greatly increase the number of investments that they take part in by using leverage to borrow and do more deals. Another big reason is guidance. Many hard money lenders are also investors, so they can provide guidance to help you avoid some of the mistakes that can either cost you money or decrease the opportunity that you have to maximize profits.
So our third question is going to be, what makes a good lender?
I think in this real estate investment space, there are a few things that make a good lender. First of all, we touched on this a little bit earlier, the guidance is a really big thing. If you're a newer investor or even if you're more experienced but want to get into a different area, the ability to have someone to bounce ideas off of or talk about challenges you're having is a really big deal. Another thing is products. Whenever you are a real estate investor, protecting your credit rating is a really big thing. So I think it's important to try and find a lender with the widest possible berth of products. If you have all the different products, they can help tailor the products that fit your needs and investment goals rather than saying, this is the only product I have and so you should take this, right? Another big thing in my opinion, because of you wanting to do a short-term financing loan and then a long-term financing loan, is trying to find a group that either that product is integrated like we do at our company, one point of contact, single point of contact loan officer, or at least where the communication is very strong between the two. Because if it's disjointed, you have to pull credit twice with two different lenders, you have to provide documents to two different lenders, or they do not efficiently refinance you out of that hard money loan, it can really be a challenge for the investor.
Well, this is all extremely helpful information so far. So on to our next question. What questions should an investor bring to their prospective mortgage lender?
I think there are many. First, I think what we talked a little bit about is, are they also investors themselves? Do they have experience in that space, or are they only a lender? Because I do think that can cause some challenges from the guidance perspective. Another thing is asking them about their products and pricing. I think that those things are important. You want to know what's available and are they competitive in pricing. I do think that some newer investors may overemphasize price. You're really looking for a lender that can provide value beyond price with excellent customer service, guidance, and strong communication.
So if one of our viewers was to walk into Catalyst Funding today, what should they have prepared to start working with you guys?
Well, first of all, they don't have to be overly prepared to talk with us the first time. We do want to have a good communication style where we're willing to just answer questions about what they may want to do as far as their planning. But I will say, once you're ready to get active, it's very important to have a game plan. And that's why networking organizations and mentorship organizations like Real Wealth are so important, because they can help you craft a plan to succeed. Once we know what that plan is, we can start to try and tailor products that meet your objectives, right? As far as the documentation that you would need, hard money lending is actually very easy and does not require a tremendous amount of documentation. Really, you need to complete an application, which will involve a credit pull, and then you also need to have asset documentation. If you want to qualify for long-term products, i.e. to hold long-term rentals, and you're using a conventional loan, the expectations are far greater. You will need to have income documentation. For some people that only means W-2s and check stubs. For other people it may require full tax returns. So it really depends on your strategic plan, but when we know that, we can let you know exactly what documentation you'll need.
Well, thank you for answering all of our questions, Wade. We really appreciate having you from Catalyst Funding here for this interview. Do you have any final thoughts you would like to tell our viewers?
Yeah, I really encourage people to take action. We see a lot of real estate potential investors that attend events, watch a lot of videos, but they may be apprehensive or nervous. So once you have built out the right team and you found a great networking organization or mentorship organization, I think it's important to take action because the time and opportunity is there in the market today.
Well, that was an awesome interview. I truly appreciate it. Please, if you don't already, go ahead and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you would like more information about Catalyst Funding and what they do there, or just contact them in any way, go ahead and check out the link below and you can see them right there. Thank you so much for watching. This has been your Success in 5.